on chairs. 4 small chairs, just right for bears. Where is the bear for each small chair? Calico Bear sits on a chair. He likes it there on his one chair. Now Fuzzy Bear wants a chair. She climbs up there on the second chair. Another chair is over there. Yellow Bear takes that chair. Here's Floppy Bear. She takes a chair. She's happy there on that last chair. 4 happy bears on 4 small chairs. Not a bear has to share. Oops! Big Brown Bear looks for a chair. There is none there for that big bear. What a stare from Big Brown Bear. That big bear wants a chair. Can Big Brown Bear make a pair with Floppy Bear on her one chair? No, Floppy Bear and that big bear cannot share one small chair. That big bear needs one whole chair. There's none to spare for Big Brown Bear. Look! Calico Bear shifts his chair over there near Big Brown Bear. Big Brown Bear helps Calico Bear make one double chair for 3 to share. Oh no! 2 of the bears fall off that chair. That double chair can't hold 3 bears. Fuzzy Bear looks over there. She scoots her chair beside the pair. Now Yellow Bear scoots his chair. Will one long chair hold all those bears? First Big Brown Bear, then Yellow Bear climb up there on that long chair. The other bears look over there. Is there room to spare for 3 more bears? Yes, there's room up there for all 5 bears. Now it's fair, the bears all share.